In the last lecture I talked about guards. Now I want to consider a 404 case, so that we're accessing a route which is unknown. We actually saw one way of handling it with redirect here, because if we try to access new posts when unauthenticated, this route is unknown because it's not rendered. And as you could see, if we still click on new post, we are essentially redirected back to post. This is one way of handling 404 requests. You can simply redirect to another route. However, you can also handle them in a different way. If you want to handle them differently, I have to comment this out, otherwise this will catch any unknown requests. You can specify the route component here, and if you leave out the path, so you don't add path, you can simply define a component or the render method you learned about to render something for any unknown route. So here I'm going to output not found. Of course, you could, again, just set it, use component and render a 404 error page component you created. But this route will catch any routes which are not handled prior to it. So any unknown routes in our case, and it will output this. Now, it won't work together with redirecting from the root route, because this also catches all, and whatever order you use, one or the other wins, so the other one doesn't do anything. For any other use cases where you don't redirect from the root route though, you can use them together. But here, this is a nice catch-all route which should always come last and show an appropriate page or render some dummy content for unknown routes. Let me show this to you. If we now click on new post, which is unknown because we're not rendering that route component due to us not being authenticated, we see not found. The same for the root URL, by the way. There we also see not found because it's not defined right now. Posts still works though. So this is a catch-all route, another important concept, especially for 404 cases, to catch any unknown routes. Now, as I said, it won't work together with redirect if you redirect from slash. If you redirect from any other page than slash, it'll work though. The reason they don't work together is that here from is treated as a prefix, and therefore this catches all routes, as does this, and therefore no matter how you order them, it won't work together. I still wanted to show you both because you rarely have the case that two routes collide here, and then you have a powerful way of handling 404 error cases with a route without a path.